'Twas the night before fitness when I saw my spouse stand in front of the mirror in her holiday blouse.
"My stockings and shirt are too tight,"
she declared.
"I'm not taking pictures,"
she said as she stared. With the most loving tone, I then sweetly said, "True visions of beauty, dear, I see instead." While my wife cried in her grief, I felt like a sap, because I looked at myself and opened my trap. I've lost all my muscle, my belly looks fatter, my own belt will burst if I eat one more platter. My family is slothful and eats too much trash. Unhealthy is awful, we're starting to crash. But next week begins a fresh start, as we know. Our interest in fitness has started to grow. In Health and with Hope has a plan for next year, giving fitness to all and a happy new rear. With dear Doug as the coach, so smart with his shtick. He wants to make sure we're all fit and ain't sick. Doug answers our questions with science and claims, officially spouts healthy hope, so he aims. How ask her, now answer. Thou answer now kicks in. Doggone it, sans stupid non-yawner technician. So ask Doug your questions, from big to real small. He knows the way not to weigh too much at all. This column had inklings, this goof was all spoof, but Doug always sneaks in advice that's foolproof. Like holiday banquets which pack on the pounds should not ruin Christmas and not cause us frowns. It's not what we do when 1 week goes afoot. It's New Year's to Christmas when things go kaput. Cheer up, girls and boys, and go eat a nice snack, as long as you promise to get back on track. Feeling plump taking pics, I will still show my teeth, standing proud, saying cheese, posing under the wreath. Yes, I know my broad face and my way too big belly remind you of Santa and bowls full of jelly. I'm a chubby and plump jolly elf with a shelf, but I know that I've promised myself to learn and apply what I've missed that Doug said. 1-1 will be fun, and there's nothing to dread. Just positive words, I'll get straight to my work. Feeling great is the goal, looking good is a perk. 7 weeks to transform with all that Doug knows. I'll have a new bod, then I'll buy some new clothes. I'll check what I weigh, avoid fat and the gristle. Perhaps I will chew on more kale, chard, and thistle. 'Tis the season to right all my wrongs with delight. Merry fitness, my friends, for the new year is bright.